Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to talk about our Lone Star single full arch door today. All right everyone, we're on the Lone Star single full arch door today. This is a 42 by 96, measures 42 inches from outside to outside, and then 96 inches from all the way to the bottom of the threshold to the top of the frame. This is made out of 12 gauge steel, okay? This is an oil rub bronze door, that's the color of it. Different colors are definitely available in a special order. You can pick your color, there's no additional charge for that. But what we stock is oil rub bronze on this door. These are all solid pickets. This door has a metal mesh screen that's magnetically put on. That's straight out of the box, we keep it with the screen. This is the only door so far that we have a screen with it at all times. You can also eliminate the screen on a special order if you don't need a screen. Now, what else? This is a full arch door. We do have this door in a regular arch, a mini arch, and a square top. And this door does come in a double door and obviously a single door, or a single door with side lights or transoms, whatever you want to, however you want to configure this door. Really cool door. It's got a lot going for it. It's got the straight pickets. It's got a star. It's got some knuckles on it, and it's got some curved pieces, which some people want some or all of these elements to be hit at the same time. So it's all here. Hope you guys like the design. This is a relatively new design for us in 2020, but we'll see how it does, and I think it'll do relatively good because we already tested it and did pretty good. Let me flip this door around, show you guys how the glass opens on this. Okay, we're on the back side of the Lone Star. Show you guys how the glass opens. Untwist the knobs, flick it over. Glass opens up. We have a weather seal on the actual glass mechanism, the frame for the glass. We also have another one on the actual door itself, so it's got a double seal on it. All of our doors, the bottom pan, this where the bottom piece is where the glass sits, it's sloped, so if any water hits, it will drain down. What else? We got, okay, so this is a frost glass, okay? This is the most amount of privacy you can get out of a glass. It's sandblasted, and it's two pieces of glass sandwiched together. So it's a 1/4 inch glass, another 1/4 inch glass. One is sandblasted on the inside, sandwiched together. So you have a 5/8 thick total tempered glass on this thing, okay? Super thick, super heavy. Magnetic screen, it just pops right off. What else? Roller latches. Roller latches on this door. 99% of our doors have roller latches, okay? Some don't, but these are adjustable, so it actually saves your lock over time from the door flopping around, because it's a heavy door and it's got a lot of mass to it. If you buy some cheapy locks, it does, you will go through locks, so that's why we put these roller catches so you can adjust them, and it'll save your locks big time. Foam insulated, they all have foam inside. All of our lock plate holes are all laser cut, so it's nice and smooth and perfect. It's got a bottom swipe on the bottom, all the way at the bottom, and it's got weather stripping all the way around the door for a nice tight seal. Threshold is one piece with the door, with the frame actually, so it's pretty simple to install the door. You just grab it, make sure it's all leveled, screw it in, mounting tabs. So it's set back 5/8 from the actual stud to the front. And that way when you do the drywall, comes straight up to it. You can put a molding or however you want to finish it. It's pretty simple. Greasable hinges, a little grease nipple on top, so you can use an automotive grease gun, grease up the hinges over time. If it starts sounding like a dungeon door, put a grease gun, pump it once, you get some grease in there, and that'll lubricate the the hinge, so you don't have to take the door off and lubricate the hinge. It's pretty much it. Hope you guys liked it. See you guys on the next one. Hi everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed our Lone Star full arch door showcase today. If you guys have any questions, contact us at info@pinkysirondoors.com. That's info@PINKYS irondoors.com, or you can call us 844-843-6677, or you're more than welcome to leave some comments below and we'll try to get to them as soon as we can. Thank you.